Every day a student named Sohan sat in the same classroom. There was an empty chair beside him, that one no one used. One day a new boy joined the class. He looked shy and unsure, so he quietly sat on that empty chair. At first, they didn't talk much, but during a group activity, Sohan smiled and asked, "Do you need help?" The boy nodded slowly. They began to talk and laugh together. Days passed, and the empty chair was no longer empty. It was filled with friendship. The new boy became more confident, and Sohan felt happy to see the change. Sohan realized that sometimes a smile can turn an empty place into something meaningful. সো এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে তুমি তোমার লিসেনিং টেস্ট যাচাই করতে পারো। তোমার লিসেনিং টেস্ট যাচাই করার জন্য আমি একটা ইংরেজিতে স্টোরি বলেছি। তুমি এই স্টোরির মাধ্যমে কি বুঝেছো সংক্ষেপে কমেন্ট করে জানাও। ধন্যবাদ।